Dear students, good morning. Today is 2nd of May. As you know that on Monday you have a account test for PL appropriation and company balance sheet. So here I am giving you one question as a practice question. Question clear says Pappu and Munna are two partners. Their ratio is 3:2. Pappu was be paid salary of 2,500 per month. By this question, I want to tell you it is a salary of per month. So when you make the PL appropriation account, you have to calculate 2,500 into 12 because salary is given of monthly. It may be in the question quarterly, half yearly, but very careful whether the salary is monthly or yearly. Then Munna get a commission of 10,000 per year. Here commission is 10,000 per month. Means simple commission to the Munna is 10,000. It is not quarterly or half yearly. Then question says interest on capital 5% per annum. Interest on drawing to be charged as 6%. Interest on drawing on Pappu's drawing was 1250 and Munna's drawing 425. Here the amount of drawing is given clearly, so nothing to worry about the percentage. When the amount of drawing is given, clearly interest on drawing, when the amount of interest on drawing is given, then there is no role of 6%. Once again, interest on drawing amount is given, now no role of interest rate. Then capital of the partner is given 2 lakh and 1,50,000. It is very clearly written, it is fixed. When the capital are fixed, it means you have to make two accounts, that is current account and capital account. Partner's capital account and current account. The profit for the year is 90575. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account of the firm. This is the question. Now the different thing can be asked in the question. Question may say pass the journal entry. Question may say the pass the journal entry. Number 2, question may say prepare current account and capital account. Or maybe question says prepare all the things, pass PL appropriation account, prepare partner's current account, prepare partner capital account. So question can be any way. So very carefully go through the question and solve the question. First 10 minutes you will take, and that after I will send you the solution. First you try it and check it how far you are right or wrong. So again, 3 things very important. Must check whatever the amount that is given per month, quarterly, half yearly, whatever. Rate of interest either on capital and drawing. When the question says that their capital are fixed, it means you have to maintain 2 accounts, partner's capital account and partner's current account. And also question also demand prepare PL appropriation account. And one more thing they can ask, pass the journal entry. Here I am sending you the solution, the question which I have given you 10 minutes back. Heading is profit loss appropriation account for the year ending 31st March 2019. If the date is nowhere, it means it is minus half marks. In any exam, either board exam, competitive exam, home exam, monthly exam, any exam. Then clear return to Pappu's salary. 2,500 into 12. Munna commission. Interest on capital you have to calculate. Rate of interest is given. In the credit side, It is net profit given in the question. That is by profit and loss for the year. Or that can also be said by net profit. Then interest on drawing, no need to calculate the interest on drawing. Although rate is given, but the amount is also given. When the amount is given, it means you need not to calculate drawing interest on rate of percentage given because the amount is already given. At the credit side, deduct the debit side up to interest on capital. Find out the profit, and profit will be shared between both the partner Pappu and Munna in their given ratio. In question, it is mentioned what is the ratio of both the partner. Here in the question, you have seen that only PL appropriation account is made, but I will definitely say that you also prepare partner's capital account and partner's current account and also pass journal entry for your practice. So you have to do 4 action. Number 1, PL appropriation account. Number 2, partner's current account. Number 3, partner's capital account. And number 4 is pass the journal entry. Thank you. Dear students, now we are coming with the second question, that is sample question or practice question of the company balance sheet. Certain information are given: share capital, general reserve, debenture redemption reserve, term loan from banks, secured borrowings, short-term borrowings, current maturities of long-term debts, and interest due on borrowings. You are seeing these heads. So you should be very careful where these figures should be come. Share capital, as I told you, it will come under equity and liabilities. Then general reserve, it's come under reserve and surplus. Again reserve and surplus. Term loan, that is long-term loan. You must understand where it will come. Long-term debts, secured borrowings, that is loan. Again loan. So I am just giving you certain heads. Before completing this question, you must have very carefully go through where these heads will go. Question says, prepare balance sheet with liability side and notes to account. So once again, without learning the balance sheet, you cannot make the balance sheet, because the main heading of balance sheet cannot be disturbed. Inner item may be disturbed, but better don't disturb that. But main heading must be there, so you have to prepare only equity and liability side along with notes to account and post the answer to me so that I can confirm how far you are able to understand balance sheet. One more thing I want to say, on Monday test, I will also give you a question of balance sheet, that is 8 marks. One question of heading and subheading, 4 marks. 8 plus 4, 12 marks. 8 marks, PL appropriation account. Total paper will be of 20 marks and maximum time period, sharp start at 8, it will be over at 8:40. So 40 minutes is sufficient as per the board norms. So be ready, but you solve this question. After 5 minutes, I will send the solution so that you can confirm how far you are right or wrong. Thank you. Here comes notes to account. Share capital. Under reserve and surplus, as I told you earlier, there are two reserves, general reserve and debenture redemption reserve. Then third heading comes non-current liabilities. Non-current liabilities, as you know, long-term borrowing, that is term loan from bank, secured borrowings and long-term debt. So total amounts come to 2,30,000. That 2,30,000 will come into balance sheet. Same way, reserve and surplus, general reserve 75,000, debenture redemption reserve 15,000, total 90,000 will directly come to the balance sheet. And the next is current liabilities. Current liabilities, short-term borrowing, you know. Other current liabilities, interest due on borrowing. So both the total will come under the current liability, that is 1,07,000. Now note to account, you have four figures: share capital, reserve and surplus, non-current liabilities and current liability. Now that will come into the where? Main balance sheet. Main balance sheet heading with date, shareholder fund, share capital, shareholder fund, share capital, reserve and surplus, non-current liabilities and current liability. So this way you have to solve the question. Or common item will be come under through note to account. Just like current liabilities, all current liability added and come to main balance sheet body. All reserves and surplus, all reserves will come and come under the main body of reserves and surplus. All non-current liabilities come under the notes to account and total will go to the non-current liabilities in the main balance sheet. So very careful, you have to solve the question in this way. Where item are of same nature, that will be comes to notes account, added, and then that will go to the balance sheet. Again, in balance sheet, if you have not written the date, minus half marks. So clear? Any doubt? Good. So make practice of notes to account and then main body of the balance sheet.